So, radio's on. Android Auto is already loaded again, which works great. Here's my switch, and when I hit the switch here, receiver will turn on, and the receiver is on the side here, like I showed you before. So if you look in there, here you go. There it is, nicely powered up and paired. So it fits in nicely here, so which is great. And now let's have a look here. If I go to home screen, actually now here, swipe, I put a shortcut here already. So change camera. Oh, look at that, nicely adjusted. I can adjust my toolboxes, and it's looking good. It's looking really good actually. So let's close this off completely. Let's go radio, and let's go back to Android Auto. Nice and quick. Now let's go into reverse. There you go, reverse. Ah, look at that. Amazing. Off. Let's turn this off completely. Let's see if we've got no caravan connected. Now go to reverse. There's my car now. Right. Off again. I hook my caravan on. I'll just turn this on now. So now it's turned on. Orange light's on, yeah. Reverse again. Look at this. Look at that. Look at that. Looks good so far. So let's go back, have a look if the camera is still connected. Yeah, look at this. Look at that. Lens is open, camera is there, nice big bracket, nice and slick. Easy to get to, easy to maintain, no holes drilled, no water leaks, looks good.